Hammy Kids.
Hiya! Chef Cookie Monster here. Me got ingredients, me got me chef mustache, but me need you help to make delicious cookies. Yum, num, 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 num. So, let's get cooking. We making banana chocolate chip cookies. Listen carefully and follow directions. First, peel 2 bananas. One banana. Two bananas all together. Next, add 1 cup brown sugar. 1 cup. Oh boy, that smell good. But me have patience. Me got patience. Next, we need 2 eggs. So, let's get cracking. 1 egg. 2 eggs all together. Now, for the flour, we need 2 cups. 1 cup. 2 cups all together. Okay, next up we need 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1 teaspoon. Okay, last but not least, we add 1 cup delicious num num chocolatey chippies. Num num. 1 cup. Oh, you did it. Oh, and that looks so good. Num num. No, but me got to remember, no eat ingredients now, or me no eat cookies later. Yeah. Now it's time to stir batter. Me sing song to help me wait. Yeah. That's good strategy. Okay, let's get stirring and singing. Stir, stir, stir me bowl and follow recipe. If me stir and no eat, then me get cookie. Nice stirring, little chef helper. Okay, next, use rolling pin to smooth dough. Rock and roll. Get it? Haha. Cookie cutters. Choose what shape you want the cookies to be. Circle. Cut out 5 cookies, please. 1 cookie. 2 cookies. 3 cookies. 4 cookies. 5 cookies. All together. Great job. Now little cookies go in oven to bake. Okay, help me set timer to number 5. Bake the dough until it all done. If me wait and no eat, then me get cookie. That tingling mean cookies done. Oh boy. Oh, me take them out of oven and wait for them to cool. Yeah, then we decorate. Let's make cookie look pretty. Choose color and frost cookie. Beautiful and so delicious. Num num. Me got self-control. Me wait. We almost done. Now decorate cookie however you want. Oh, you so creative, me little chef. Okay, me no can wait any longer. In time to eat cookie. Nom nom. So worth the wait. Oh, thank you. You know what? You did a great job cooking and waiting for cookies. Decorate cookie however you want. To cook with me again, choose green button.